Hello students. So today we are going to learn abstract painting. Okay. Definitely you will enjoy it. Okay, something different you are doing in this. You will get freedom in this painting. So everyone you will enjoy. So exactly what is abstract painting? See, abstract means whatever is out of your frame. Okay, think out of frame. In that, while doing painting, you have to think about line. Okay, for abstract painting there are color, form, line and texture. These four important things, elements which you have to use and complete your abstract painting. Now all of you know different type of textures, we learned it before. Okay, lines, you know different type of lines you can use in your design or painting. Okay, then forms, if you want you can draw any forms, and here even not necessary that your drawing should be good, then only you will do abstract painting. Here you are getting freedom in your color application, in your drawing, texture, techniques. Enjoy your painting. Okay, even media, not only a poster color, you can use crayons, you can use spray painting, you can use whatever knowledge you have about drawing and painting, you can use here in your abstract painting. Okay, so I have some examples which I want to show you. With that you will get idea that what is exactly abstract painting. Okay, now see, when actual drawing we do, okay, that time tree we draw which is there in the nature as it is. Okay, but in abstract you imagine, I want to draw tree, something out of frame, you will think about tree and you can draw. It's not wrong. Okay, you are getting freedom. So I'll show you some. See, this I have one black and white abstract painting. What I did here, see here you will see something relief. Okay, this is paper, tissue paper. I took this paper, on that I stuck this tissue paper, and on that I started coloring, texture. Somewhere I used sponge technique, somewhere I used this, I filled with brush. Okay, here I got texture because of what we sticked tissue paper. With that here you are getting texture. So like this you do it with your ideas, you will get forms. Those forms you have to develop. Okay, and finally you will get very nice painting. You will see this, and then I feel that here I can draw one tree. It's okay, whatever I did, you can draw different way. So this is abstract painting. One more thing you have to remember while coloring, there should be light. Okay, there should be medium. Okay, there should be dark. For excellent result, you must keep in mind that all over in your drawing there should be different tones of colors. Here is only black, but in black also you will see somewhere it is grey, somewhere it is very light. Okay, different tones are here. So texture, technique, form, tones, different color tones are important. Okay, are you getting? Now I want to show you one more example. Here I did, this is also my abstract painting. Okay, I did Om afterward, it was not in my mind. This is photograph actually. So what I did first I did texture, techniques, and I want this form, whatever forms I want I used to do, and then I think yeah, this very nice color scheme for Om, then I did this Oms. So while doing, maybe there is no idea is not clear in your mind, you just do it, then you will feel that no, your this form will look nice, you can draw that later. Okay, so this way you can complete your abstract painting. And this color scheme, you see, use minimum colors and create maximum tones. Okay, that looks nice, means you will get good color scheme in that. Here you will see, here is one abstract painting. These all are photographs. Just I want to show you. See, in this color textures, these all colors are applied with knife, butter knife. Okay, see, you will see this strokes. You will get that butter knife is used for this color application. Okay, and here are some houses, right? So like this you have to create your painting. Even this one you will see different ways strokes are done and then forms are done. Same way again colors you will see there is no one color directly used from the bottle. Different color mixing, with that these all color tones you will get. Okay, now here I want to show one color scheme. Here it is one abstract painting. Here spray painting is done. Golden color is also used. In this you will get only 1-2 forms. Here you will see house, which I got afterwards. First I did only color scheme, forms, these forms, and then whatever forms I am getting from colors I developed those. Okay, so this way now we are going to do painting, which is abstract painting. Okay, really you will enjoy this. First of all I will show you that one paper is already ready with me. What I did here, I did, see, one waste cardboard was with me. With that I am doing my abstract painting. Here I stuck one tissue paper. On that I stuck these buttons. Okay, with your creativity you can do anything, you have freedom. So now I will show you abstract painting on this, how I will complete. I would like if you use your own creations, don't copy it as it is, try to do with your creativity. Okay, these are just guidelines. Okay, these are just guidelines, students. Don't copy as it is. I want your creativity. I want to see your creativity. See, now here I will select minimum colors. I'll try to do maximum tones. Already I got this texture of this paper, right? Tissue paper is here. Because of that I got texture. I'll take advantage of that texture and complete my drawing. Okay, all of you just see. Play with color, enjoy colors, nothing else. It's very easy. Everyone you will enjoy with you tell to your parents, enjoy in their free time. This is color theory also, therapy also. So anyone who will do it. See, I am getting texture, so I will not disturb those. Whatever textures I am getting. How to hold paper I will decide afterwards. How I will hold my painting I will decide afterwards. First I will complete my design. Okay, here I am getting nice texture. I will not disturb that. Now the same color with little white I will make it. It's a light tone I'll make. Maybe in abstract painting there will be no any ready image in your mind, but after finish, see, even applying color I'll use my brush this way. Not necessary you will use this way only, you can use this way. And what is my base? No, it's little glossy. Because of that even I'm getting something different application of color. So never waste your papers, whatever you have, nice colors, texture papers, keep with you, and like this paintings you can make with that. See, now I'm taking another shade with the blue and red mixing. I fill this here. I'm trying to show you easy methods so that everyone you will enjoy. I know some of you are not interested in art, but really if you'll play with these colors, texture, techniques, you will get relaxation, okay, and you will really enjoy it. So easily I'm getting, see, easily I'm getting texture and color forms. Even I'm taking advantage of color which is already there on the paper. And even you will decide that how much time you will work on your painting. If I'm getting more time, 2-3 weeks even I can work on this. 2-3 hours even I can do work on this. Size is small, so maximum 2-3 weeks definitely you can work on this. See, while doing I feel okay, I'll go this way with my brush. I'm doing whatever is coming in my mind, I'm trying that. Play with color. Maybe the same painting, in the same painting you will get some different form, I'm getting some different form. So it's everyone's creativity, everyone's view. Some writing words are there, so there I want to do some forms. करते जाओ. Change application, style, whatever you was using straight strokes. Now I am doing horizontal strokes. Nice texture base you got, right? Texture and technique nicely you got. Now I am changing my brush. Okay. Already buttons are here. So on that buttons I will do something. In the surrounding of buttons I am applying dark color. Inside button I did dark. My painting, my freedom, right? Like this if you think, you will get excellent effects. When dark tone will come, you will get depth in your painting. So that is important. As I told you, color, forms, lines, texture, these are elements of your painting, as well as light, medium, dark, dark. With that you will get depth in your painting. Somewhere if you want you can use spray painting. That's even look nice. See, still no one form is in my mind. I don't want what I am going to draw. Form I want or I don't want, I don't know anything. I'm just doing now. I did some horizontal lines over here. So this is very nice painting idea in what you are getting freedom. When abstract painting you display in the gallery somewhere, when art lover, when they see this, sometimes they get something different forms in that which even you didn't imagine. Okay, so it's depend everyone's view how it is, what forms you are getting. Maybe third person he will not get it, but you just have to enjoy this painting style. When you do this work, you get enjoyment. Only with colors and color application you will get positive energy in you. So even I will say this is the best meditation. Do it in your free time. Now you have a lot of time and even your mind is free. So whatever you will do, really you will get amazing effects in this. I didn't use more colors. Already 2 colors were there on the paper, and see now how I want to hold my painting, that even I will decide. Like this, like this, like this. It's up to you, right? So if I'll get more time, I can work on this and I'll get more excellent result. If I want, I can add any form, bird form, animal form, or tree, whatever. Okay, that's up to you. You can add in this, but continue your work. You are getting relief, relaxation, you are enjoying color. That is very important in the abstract painting. Okay, so do it, complete it. No compulsion of material, no compulsion of method. You can do a nice abstract painting. That's your real creativity. Okay students, so enjoy it.